Hello dear friend, this is Komi Song from Hopon Industry Company. From this video we can check my company's RGB LED bulb 5 watts. We just control this RGB bulb use this remote control. Now we pull off and we pull on and we press red G, B, yellow, white, and flash. Flash it will be changeable. It can be 3 watts, also 5 watts. The base it is E27. Okay, thank you.